whistle. A typical run for DC United comes to an end. 2 goals in first half stoppage time enough. They defended and defended and defended in the second half.
We're in a position right now where 2 weeks ago, I think we're building that momentum. We know we want to be an aggressive team. We want to try to go and make the opponent uncomfortable, create chances off of the chaos that we ultimately have every single match. We work in that chaos every day. Many of these things we're working on in training this week. That's our job. That's the only way that we can go and correct it is by working every single day within our process.
We're a few games into the season now. We need to mature. We've done well. We've had a good structure, and so it's just capitalizing on those moments going forward. It's kind of what I'll say is the game within the game. And I think that's right now where this group as a whole, when we have chances, we got to punish them.
DC United returning home after a 5th defeat in their last 6 games, last time out against Philadelphia Union, and tonight they welcome the visit of Colorado Rapids, the first time these 2 teams play each other since September of 2022.
Finish the play, every play like a dog, you understand? Finish every play, guys, every play tonight. This is how we get 3 points.
Let's go, DC on 3. 1, 2, 3, DC! Let's go!
For now, from kickoff from Audi Field as DC United play host to the Colorado Rapids. DC looking for a victory. It will be just their 3rd of the season. DC ball towards Kojima, plays the more advanced role, in towards Jared Stroud. Jared Stroud towards Benteke, who had to stretch. Given away by Atencio, and Benteke returns for Kojima. Jose Kojima off the crossbar. A couple of big chances inside a minute for DC United. Up the boot into the area, away from Travis, but plenty of room for Cervania, who takes aim and stands under the ball from Stefan, and Stroud and Benteke collided. Rafael Navajo couldn't quite beat Barraza at his near post, but on we go. Lifted back in, and Yapi! And beaten away from Barraza, and the goal is given. Darren Yapi opens the scoring for Colorado at the end of a wild sequence. And Cervania out wide for Schnegg, who will lift in and deflects towards Benteke, who's header down, drops DC level. He's back, and he's back on the score sheet. DC on terms. Lifted into that area from Herrera, and Kojima on the volley, beyond Stefan! Jose Kojima with his 2nd goal for DC. It's 2 goals in first half stoppage time to give DC the lead at the break. As the halftime whistle goes, Colorado opening the scoring through Darren Yapi, but 2 first half stoppage time goals to make it 2-1 at the break to DC United.
We keep doing what we've been doing. Nothing has to change.
We stay aggressive.
There is no
Just because we're winning, we don't stop doing what we've been doing.
No reason for us to jump back.
Hey, we are opening them up. When we move the ball side to side, we're opening them up. We got to keep going.
I didn't see any doubt even when they scored. So we keep going. Now we need it. So mentally we should be above them.
The way you do anything is the way you do everything. Play the second half like it's everything to us, okay?
Hey guys,
it's everything.
Hey, we play brave. We don't lose our goals. We play brave. We play home. We win this game. Let's go. DC on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Strip in this second half. That's a strong challenge in from Garrison Tubbs. Kind deflection to the path here of Mihailovic. Lifting towards Avahu, it's a good idea. Cabral arriving, but Barraza got the decisive touch. Still Mihailovic, Tubbs needed to get that challenge right and did. Mihailovic in towards Navajo, but Barraza stepped in front.
And that's been the only issue right now for Colorado Rapids.
Still Connor Ronan just lifting it towards that box, and a claim there for Barraza. And there is the full-time whistle. A difficult run for DC United comes to an end.
Come on!
2 goals in first half stoppage time enough. They defended and defended and defended in the second half.
The players deserve all the credit tonight for how they got the result. They stick together, and they stick together whenever things are difficult.
Hey, this would be the one for me. I love you guys. I really appreciate all of you pushing me every day. I worked really hard, and I'm really happy to be out here. I love you guys. I'm proud of you.
I'm so proud of the group in terms of the type of grit that they displayed tonight. When you go down 1-0 and you've had the better of the chances and the better of the game, and you've been in a difficult spot 5 out of the last 6 weeks, that would be easy for a group to roll over. And so when you talk about grit, our group just displayed that.